Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install QuickCart on OpenSUSE Leap 42.3. QuickCart is a free platform to create your own shopping websites like Flipkart, eBay, Amazon, etc. It does not require any database to run. It just requires a web browser and PHP to be installed on your system. Now let us see the installation of QuickCart on OpenSUSE Leap. Before starting with your installation, the basic requirements is to have Apache web server running and PHP. Version of PHP should be 7. Now switch to your terminal and first download the source package using wget command. After downloading your zip package, extract this in Apache document root location. Now move inside your Apache document root location. Next, provide appropriate owner permission and file execution permission for your Apache document root location. Now configure your virtual host for your QuickCart. And enter your configuration inside this. After providing your configuration, save the changes. Now restart your Apache service. And open your firewall configuration file. And check whether your firewall configuration extensions is added with your Apache web service. Next, switch to your browser and enter your machine's IP address or your fully qualified domain name. Followed by the name of your directory and admin.php. To open up your login panel, by default your username for logging in and password is admin. Now login. And after logging in, your dashboard will prompt like this. If you want to provide any orders or if you want to create a new product, you can very well click on these tabs. And if you want to change the default login username and password, click on this edit, change the login name as well as your password. And if you want to provide the administrator email ID, you can provide here, and you can also import your logo. Now save the changes. And thus we have seen how to install OpenCart. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.